Editing an existing workflow in Jira allows you to customize the stages and transitions that issues go through in your projects. Here's how to edit an existing workflow in Jira. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with administrative rights required for editing workflows. Navigate to Workflows. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Jira settings. Go to Issues and then select Workflows under the Workflow section. Select the workflow to edit. In the Workflow section, you will see a list of existing workflows. Click on the name of the workflow you want to edit. This opens the workflow diagram. Edit the workflow. Click the Edit button to enter the workflow editor. Here, you can modify the existing workflow by adding or removing statuses, transitions, or conditions. To add a status, click on the Add Status button. To modify a transition, click on the arrow between statuses and adjust its properties. Publish changes. After making changes, click Publish Draft to save and apply the updated workflow. If the workflow is currently in use, Jira will prompt you to confirm the changes and update all associated projects. Verify workflow. Review the workflow in the project to ensure the changes are correctly applied. Test the new workflow with sample issues to confirm that the transitions work as expected.